This unit connects to the boost sensor and the map sensor. There are no engine covers to remove on this install. The map sensor is located here. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the map connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor plug to the map sensor. Then connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. We can now access the boost sensor. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Then connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Then connect the unit to the wiring loom. And then place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. If you have any questions, please contact us.